In this video, we will go over the top ways jewelry stores trick you into buying lesser quality diamonds.
And engagement rings, so you don't get ripped off.
Where is the cut grade? Everybody learns about the 4 C's when buying diamonds. Carat is the most important C because carat increases the price the most. Cut is the C that increases the price the second most, not just for you, but the jewelry store as well. If they can get you to pay more for a lower cut grade, then they make more profit. It just so happens cut is the easiest quality to trick you with because you can't tell the cut just by looking at the diamond. So diamond stores try to not even mention the cut grade. Here's how. Since you already likely know cut is one of the 4 C grades, they tell you and display the cut shape, like a round cut or a princess cut, but don't tell you the actual cut grade. They bank on the fact that you don't even know what a cut grade is. Sometimes they post the polish and symmetry grades, which aren't as important, and hope you think that those are the cut grade as well. But no cut grade mentioned here. Cut grades look like this.
Bait and switch. This is the #1 way diamond stores sell you lesser quality diamonds. Most diamonds are graded by an independent diamond lab that issues a certificate. Sometimes diamond labs actually work with the jewelry stores to inflate their grades so you think you're getting a better diamond than you actually are. The standard for diamond certificate labs is GIA. Take this email I got, for example. I was trying to buy a nice H-colored diamond, but didn't notice the Diamonds Lab was not GIA. It reads, EGL is a for-profit lab. They are very lenient in their grading system. When compared to GIA, this diamond will be a lot closer to KL color, which is a lot more yellow than the H-colored diamond that I thought I ordered. Then they offered me a higher priced diamond in its place. Classic bait and switch. In short, order a GIA diamond and you will get what you pay for.
The letters TW. What does that mean? First understand, carat is not the size of a diamond, it is its weight. Sometimes when you ask a salesperson what the carat is on a certain ring, they will tell you the total carat weight, even though they know you mean just the carat weight of the center stone. This engagement ring has a center stone that weighs 0.75 carats. However, if you add up all the tiny diamonds on the engagement ring, they add up to 1.75 carats. Hoping you don't know the difference, you would buy the engagement ring thinking the center diamond is higher than it actually is. It's not just salespeople though. The jewelry stores like you see here with K Jewelers will advertise the higher carat weight and just put the letters TW and hope you don't know that that is the total carat weight instead of just the center stone's carat weight.
Blinded by the light. Diamond stores use impressive lights that would make even the lowest quality diamonds sparkle. This does 2 things. First, it makes it hard to see any inclusions that you would see under normal lights. Even cloudy diamonds will sparkle with these intense lights. Second, it makes it seem like cut doesn't matter. A diamond's second most important quality besides carat is cut. Cut is what makes the diamond sparkle. The more ideal the diamond cut, the more the engagement ring diamond sparkles at its peak. But intense jewelry store lights make the diamond sparkle at its peak no matter how poor the diamond cut. That way, cut and clarity seem less important with fancy lights. Buying engagement rings from my recommended website below this video, you can view the diamonds with the lights that expose the imperfections instead of hiding them.
Hide and seek. Most diamonds have inclusions or blemishes. Some are visible to the naked eye and some are not. Sometimes diamond stores will hide the inclusions under the ring setting clasps. This diamond has an inclusion on the side, but we can easily hide it under this clasp. While this is a bad thing if the store is hiding the diamond flaws from you and not telling you, it can also be a strategy to your benefit if you knowingly buy a diamond with visible inclusions on the side that can be hidden under the clasps. The best way to avoid this scam is to just buy a diamond online where it can be seen before placing it in the engagement ring itself. Watch my diamond clarity comparison video for more on this.
Big carat doesn't equal bigger appearance. Engagement ring stores can cut diamonds to make the carat bigger without it looking bigger at certain angles. Here's a dramatic example. The diamond on the left is the appropriate size, the diamond on the right is a terrible cut, but the diamond on the right has a higher carat because it weighs more. If you look down at both these diamonds, the size looks just the same. In addition, the light doesn't bounce off the diamond correctly, so it doesn't sparkle as much. If you bought a diamond like this, you'd be paying for a higher carat that doesn't even look bigger, and it has a poor sparkle too. To avoid this, I always buy ideal or excellent cut diamond by GIA standards.
Sneaky salespeople. When you go in to buy a diamond, the salespeople use all sorts of deceiving words. Once I asked an engagement ring salesperson what a diamond inclusion was. They said it was a beauty mark and it gives the diamond character. An inclusion is a blemish or an imperfection or an impurity that lowers the value of the diamond. They are always bending the truth to sell you. I suggest staying away from salespeople and buying your engagement ring online. Salespeople often mislead you, but also they increase the cost of the diamond. My favorite online diamond store is linked to below this video.
The switcheroo. Be careful whenever buying an engagement ring or taking your diamond to get it cleaned. Most diamonds certified today have a unique number inscribed on the side. Demand to see the certificate number inscribed on the side of the diamond and take your certificate to make sure the numbers match. Do this before you buy the diamond, before you take it home, and when you take it in to get cleaned. There are very shady people out there, and the number is inscribed on the side for a reason.
Shop online. All brick and mortar stores sell overpriced engagement rings. The salespeople, the rent in the mall, the fancy showcases and lights are all costs that increase the cost of your diamond. Like here, you can see that Kay Jewelers, Helzberg Diamonds, and Jared's all have equal 1 carat D-shade excellent cut and flawless clarity diamonds. Compare those to these two exceptional online websites that I will link to below this video, and the savings are thousands of dollars. And here's my number one tip. Have your girlfriend shop for an engagement ring with you or her best friend. Make note of the engagement ring, the specs of the diamond, and the price of the diamond. Go to my recommended diamond website below this video, plug in those same specs, and get the same quality diamond for less cost. Or plug in the price of the diamond that she liked and get a bigger or higher quality diamond from the online website. Now just take that diamond that you got from the website back to the jewelry store and set it in the ring she likes. Or find a similar one from the websites that I have linked to below this video.
If you guys go to buy a diamond on another device, make sure you come back here and click on the link below because it will help you out.
And if you have any personal questions about buying engagement rings, leave a comment below.
Also, make sure you subscribe to my hair and makeup channel.
Like and subscribe.